Okay, so it's refrigerator clean out day. So this is real life. This is what my refrigerator currently looks like. So I just got back from the store. So cleaning out the refrigerator really, if you do it often, and I mean like once a month, I probably haven't done it in a couple weeks, then it's not that bad. So this is what my refrigerator looks like currently. I try to like organize things, but like I know I can move these shelves around, but I like where they are, so I have to, like we had a bunch of people over last night and we had to put beer here, and so I had to move things that were here out of the way. So that's why it looks so bad. But we've got, I'm just gonna go through, but this stuff was not out of date last time I went through here, but I'm just gonna go through and double check and make sure nothing is. Just put it on the floor. No, just put it down. We've got leftovers, which is from last night. Just stuff that just needs to be put somewhere. I have like 2 things of mushrooms. Bacon. There's some leftovers. More leftovers. Just general things that just need to be gone through just to check on them. I need to throw out. Broccoli turns this weird yellow color when it's, you know, going bad. In case you didn't know. Yeah. So I just have things I just kind of need to just clean it out and get things sorted. My kids will just eat plain tortillas. I don't understand them. Anyway, so I'm going to clean this out, share it with you guys, and then fill it back up. So here's the before. Let's get it cleaning. Okay, so it's all clean. All of these little dressings and stuff, we really need to start going through them, but we just carry a lot of like salad dressings and vinaigrettes and stuff like that, so this will probably always be a problem. But I went through, I put the beers in the back, and then I have the stuff that I use pretty much every day. This is going to be used tonight for a recipe, so I just pulled this out to put up front. So we use this stuff pretty much every day. Salsa, which I have so much salsa. We just have like sour cream back there. I have some like fat and mayonnaise and ketchup and stuff. Eggs, some ground turkey, some leftovers. I'm just gonna leave right here. We can eat the rest of the week. This needs to be fixed this week. So I pulled that out. And then these are for, I hate when there's like crumbs stuck. These need to be, or they're for Noah's lunch. So this is our fruit drawer. I got fruit today. This is our veggie drawer, which it got switched up last time. And then this is where we keep like our meat and cheeses. So we always have like 700,000 bags of cheese. And then like any type of meat that we get, I usually put it here. And then this is just our Marcardi. What is it called? Margarita mix. It won't fit anywhere else standing up. So now I'm going to fill it with groceries. refrigerator is all stocked, ready to go for the week. So I hope you get some type of encouragement to maybe go clean out your refrigerator, see if you have any mystery foods you might not be able to find or haven't been able to find. But hope you had enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll talk to you later. Bye guys.